Joining us now on the phone, Mike Mayo from Wells Fargo Securities. He has a buy rating and a 70 price target on the stock. It's at $51 today. Mike, is this a game changer for that stock?
Well, this is a very clear endorsement for CEO Jane Change Agent Frazier for the new strategic blueprint, the changing culture, and the prospects for year 2024 to infinity. Citi is undergoing the biggest and most dramatic repositioning in its modern era. I will say the caveat here, Scott, this is not an endorsement for the next 2 years when you're going to have pain from higher expenses, noise from divestitures, and probably shortfalls on earnings. So what you have here is short-term pain with Citi's restructuring, but likely long-term gain. And now Warren Buffett is along for the ride for this long-term investment.
But you think the stock's going to go up 40%?
Well, the entire bank group is starting to trade as if we're definitely going to have a recession. So if we don't have a recession, which is our house view, then we see all bank stocks going up by like 1/3 to 1/2. We put 2/3 chance of that happening, and maybe a 1/3 chance of a recession where they could go down by 1/3. So the weighted average return for the typical bank stock should be up by like 1/4 or so, and Citigroup, the cheapest among the cheap, having this dramatic repositioning. This is a little tricky, though. This does not fit in a typical investment style box. I mean, my estimates are below street consensus for the next 2 years. But then we think years 3 to infinity are a lot better. Which wins out? Well, if you're a long-term investor like Warren Buffett, you're in. And you've seen some other investors take longer positions, typically longer-term oriented investors. And to some degree, it's starting to be in the stock that, there's a lot of noise when you have the biggest restructuring in your modern history.
Man, I'm just thinking about, his being Buffett's once love of J.P. Morgan stock, no more. And what that says about the changing landscape in where you want to invest in the financial space. J.P. Morgan holding their investor day today, and you question as to whether they've lost their fastball?
Yeah, how ironic. If you followed Jamie Dimon from when he left Citigroup and rolled your stock into J.P. Morgan today, you would have made 50 times more money. So following Jamie Dimon's been the right move. Now Warren Buffett's out of J.P. Morgan and in Citigroup. Talk about a reversal. Today was the J.P. Morgan shareholder meeting, but this coming Monday is their annual investor day. And the question is whether or not J.P. Morgan has lost its fastball. It seems like they're pushing for growth in ways they haven't done in the past. They're sacrificing financials in the short term. They're spending more money than they've ever spent or any bank's ever spent in history of U.S. banking. They've lost some degree of financial discipline, at least from the outside. I mean, how do you spend $10 billion more in expenses over a 2-year period and do that intelligently? And if it's so important to spend all that money, why didn't J.P. Morgan spend it sooner? So there's a lot of questions for Jamie Dimon and the management team this coming Monday at their investor day.
So who's your new ace of the staff, if you will, if we're speaking in baseball parlance? Is it Moynihan? Is it Solomon? Who is it?
I've said it before. I cannot believe that Brian Moynihan and Bank of America stock has declined as much as it has when we're on the cusp of them benefiting from higher interest rates like they have not benefited perhaps in my 30-year career. So it's still Bank of America number one, and that's for the short term, medium term, and long term. Citigroup is certainly, you have to have a longer-term horizon. And J.P. Morgan, we're on the sidelines. People are looking for, Nolan Ryan in his prime, and I don't think that's what you're getting.
Well, all right, we'll make that the last word. Pretty direct in that. Mike, I appreciate your time very much. An update on this interesting story we followed all throughout the day. That's Mike Mayo.